At Blue Diamond Attachments, we do things a different way. Our company is built on enduring family values, and we think that makes a big difference. We produce quality in every area of our business, starting with our extensive product line. Blue Diamond Attachments are made with high-quality, fabricated and welded parts that you can trust. And we back our products with our customer-centric satisfaction guarantee and warranty service. We keep a large inventory on hand, so our attachments ship fast, and our industry-leading parts department offers same-day shipping. At Blue Diamond, we still think personal touch is valuable. When you call our office, you will speak directly to a representative from one of our facilities in Tennessee. Our customer care teams answer phones Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and provide unparalleled customer service and fast quotes for attachments. Blue Diamond offers unmatched support and resources for our dealers. We have a full line of brochures and catalogs free for dealer use. Your territory manager will routinely visit to check in and provide any support you may need. Our mobile marketing program keeps your dealership stocked with literature racks, fence banners, pop-up displays, and more, including displays and merch for parts centers. We want our dealers to grow their businesses, and we provide extensive training through our Roadshow Dealer Development Program. The Roadshow team visits dealers and hosts dealer training, including equipment demos and presentations from senior salesmen. 2023 has brought a brand new marketing initiative to Blue Diamond. We are expanding our promotional materials to include digital kiosks in select dealerships. These kiosks act as interactive tools for your sales team and act as an education hub for everything Blue Diamond. And of course, our exclusive dealer portal will always be available 24/7 with digital versions of all our catalogs, brochures, videos, product manuals, spec sheets, and more. Our network of dealers is our Blue Diamond community. We wanted a way to give back to our dealers and their communities who have done so much for us. We founded BD Assist in 2016 to do just that. Our funded equipment program provides disaster relief and support to communities and nonprofits in need of help. BD Assist has helped on many projects, from cleaning streets after tornadoes to clearing land for nonprofit church camps. Blue Diamond is more than an attachment supplier. We are unparalleled customer service. We are unmatched dealer training. We are community support. We are family. We are Blue Diamond Attachments.